1 spoon of clarified butter and add 1 cup of oil. Slice 6 tomatoes and 6 sliced onions. Put the onions and tomatoes in the oil and stir it well. One tablespoon of nutmeg powder. Hot spice mix. 3 tablespoons of coriander powder. 1 tablespoon of ginger and garlic paste. 2 tablespoons of red chili powder. 2 tablespoons of biryani powder. Mix well. Add sliced green chili. Add handful of chopped mint and coriander leaves. Mix well. Four tablespoons of salt. Add 2 black cardamom. Add 1 medium-sized cup of curd. Add 1 full lemon juice. Mix well. Add 2 kilograms of boiled beef. Mix well. One spoon of chili powder. 1 spoon of red color powder. Add the rice. One and a half liter of water. Cook for 15 minutes on low flame. The biryani is done.